Advanced Health Sciences Psychology 2, Virtual Interactive Notebook 2, Emotion and Motivation, Day 4, Hunger and Eating. The title of Day 4's notes are Hunger and Eating. The essential question is, what causes satiation? The main idea is hunger and eating. The subtopics are pangs, satiation, and disordered. And remember, you can pause. So pangs. The most basic level, when you're hungry, it's because your stomach is empty and it contracts. So your stomach expands and contracts depending on the volume of food inside of it. So when your stomach contracts, it sends a signal to your brain. So these contractions, these feelings of contractions, are called pangs. So hunger pangs tell you that you're hungry. That's pretty easy. Moving on to satiation. First, we're going to define satiation. Satiation is fullness and satisfaction. It's returning your body to homeostasis. So satiation defined is fullness and satisfaction. Fullness and satisfaction. Now, branching off of that, if your blood sugar increases, this is a note, I want you to take these notes. If your blood sugar increases, your pancreas and liver send signals to your brain to shut off hunger signals. So it's not just the feeling of your stomach expanding again. It's also your brain is counting your glucose levels, how many sugar molecules flow by the, can't remember, it's the hypothalamus. I think it's the hypothalamus. How many sugar molecules flow by the sugar molecule sensor. And when the level gets high enough, your pancreas and your liver send chemical signals to your brain to trigger a satiation response. So that's a note. Finally, when your blood sugar rises high enough, your fat cells release leptin, which is a satiation hormone that runs through your bloodstream. So your fat cells have leptin, and when the blood sugar count gets high enough, it releases leptin into the bloodstream, and that causes satiation. So you're going to do disordered eating on your own. I want you to look in today's chapter and section. It's chapter 10, section 2. And at the bottom of that, you will find eating disorders. And I want you to use that information to define bulimia and anorexia. And for your output today, I'm just going to read it. Do you have a healthy relationship with food? Draw a picture of yourself with food which describes your relationship. My picture would be me with a crown and scepter on top of a mountain of frozen burritos. I'm not proud of that, kids, but it is wrong to lie. I'm working on it. We're all working on stuff. I will see you tomorrow for day 5.